We all appreciate great service. That's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.